$3 trillion. That is more than the GDP of entire sovereign nations. But this cash doesn't belong to tech giants, oil barons, or central banks. It belongs to an invisible, borderless shadow empire, a highly organized global cartel of online fraudsters, hackers, and cyber scammers. These aren't just teenagers in basement hoodies. Today, cyber scamming is an industrial-scale operation. It is run like a Fortune 500 company, utilizing human trafficking and psychological warfare. To understand the sheer scale, we must look at a shocking raid in Eswatini, a tiny nation in southern Africa. When local police stormed a secretive complex, they found a Hollywood-grade production set, a fully equipped replica of a Brazilian police station, complete with fake uniforms and badges. These actors would terrify innocent targets via video calls, claiming they were under active investigation. Victims were tricked into transferring their entire life savings into the cartel's accounts. 82 people were arrested in this single raid. Thousands of miles away, in the tropical paradise of Palau, another arm of the cartel was operating from luxury hotels. From these suites, 22 international scammers operated high-tech centers. They targeted victims using cryptocurrency and illegal gambling websites. The cartel doesn't care about borders. To them, the world is just a playground of IP addresses and unprotected bank accounts. In Thailand, police arrested a 20-year-old suspect. When investigators opened his digital cryptocurrency wallet, their jaws dropped. His wallet had processed more than 122.5 million US dollars in just 10 months. The source? Romance scams. The syndicate used fake online personas to make lonely victims fall in love, manipulating them into fake crypto platforms. Under the coordination of Interpol, 97 countries launched Operation First Light. Between January and April of 2026, law enforcement raided thousands of coordinates. The results were staggering. Over 5,800 suspects arrested and 142,000 victims identified worldwide. But as police celebrated, they realized a terrifying paradox. Even with 31,000 bank accounts blocked, the cartel's cash was still flowing. It was being cleaned at an industrial rate. How do you wash billions of dollars of hot, stolen cyber cash without getting caught? Stealing the money is only 10% of the job. The real mastery of the $3 trillion cyber empire lies in what happens next: laundering. To make dirty cyber cash usable, the cartels need the cleaners. Professional money launderers who can take hot, digital scam funds from the jungles of Eswatini or the hotels of Palau and turn them into legitimate, clean assets. And in August 2023, the world watched in shock as the ultimate laundry machine was uncovered in Singapore. An elite operation that would balloon into a $3 billion scandal, revealing that the cleanest financial hubs are often where the dirtiest money hides. On August 15, 2023, over 400 police officers raided some of the most exclusive, high-end bungalows in Singapore. What they found inside was not just luxury, it was a bizarre treasure trove of astronomical wealth. They seized supercars like Porsches and Rolls-Royces, luxury real estate, grand pianos, rare liquors, and over 56 collectible designer Bearbrick ornaments. The assets frozen. Initially starting at $1 billion, the value quickly ballooned to a staggering 3 billion Singapore dollars. Who were the masters of this $3 billion laundromat? The police arrested 10 foreigners, all Chinese nationals from the Minnan region. The source? A massive web of unlicensed gambling operations, remote betting sites in the Philippines, and international scams. The money was so deep it reached the highest levels of power, directly linking the syndicate to Alice Guo, a mayor in the Philippines. How did they clean $3 billion in plain sight? They used facilitators like corporate secretaries to file false tax documents. The money was converted into ultra-luxury assets, good-class bungalows and Bearbrick collectibles to blend into Singapore's hyper-wealthy elite. but they flew too close to the sun. The empire struck back. All 10 accused pleaded guilty and were deported. Today, global police are using tools like iGrip to block millions in real time, stopping a $6.6 million transfer just in time. The lesson: the ultimate currency of the modern world is not gold, crypto, or dollars. It is trust. Subscribe to Blackboard Billionaires for more simple stories about massive wealth and global empires. Make it small.